ever post it, but whatever. So what we've been doing is we looked at this lab, we had a black dot and a blue dot, and we've learned these things. Okay, something else that sounds smart.
The black ink is made of different substances.
All right, black ink is a mixture. How about that? That just saves me more writing.
The blue pigment of the black ink is more polar than that.
Okay, blue pigment of black ink is most polar. Okay, a fancy way to say that is it's most attracted to the mobile phase. Okay, good. Anything else? Not a single other one? All right, black is more polar. You said what? I still can't hear you. All right, neither sample's collectible. Sure. What do we use for that? Good. All right. Anything else? Water is the mobile phase. Okay, paper is stationary phase. Okay. Yes. Oh, sorry. What else? The green of the black is nonpolar. Was this green? All right. Green of black is least polar. I'm good with that. Did we get 10 yet? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, maybe 11. Okay, anything else that you thought was interesting? Sure.
Longer, would it keep on stretching and stretching until it was like?
It would go to the very top. Yep. It slows, but something would go to the top. Right. Okay, here's my question. Answer this. What adjustment would I make to get both colors? Well, I'm going to say dots, because by the end there's a ton of colors, right? Okay, how could I make both of them separate? Yeah, don't look at me. Tell your partner. Tell your paper. All right. Hopefully that wasn't too hard. What else? What do we need in our mobile phase? All right, add nonpolar solvent to mobile phase. So we pour in some sort of like hexane, some nonpolar solvent. It won't be a problem. It wouldn't travel as far, but it still should separate. Okay, I have another question. Which, and maybe you read the label, marker is a dry erase marker, and why? Black or blue? Okay. What do we think? So which one do you think is the dry erase marker? Should I select the blue or the black ink right now? Blue, good answer. Why is it called a dry erase marker? Okay, and it does not erase with water. Okay, it doesn't erase with water. So that blue, you notice it didn't go anywhere with the water, right? All right. Now it works well on boards with very small surface, like porous, or not very porous, like the dry erase board. It's the gaps in that board are so tiny that the dry erase marker doesn't really go into them. It just sticks to itself. Then we take a marker and we get it. It's pretty simple. All right, so here's my question. What is dry erase board spray made out of? Some sort of non-polar substance, right? Okay. This right here. Does anyone know what this marker, what type of marker this was? You're probably too young. It's not a Sharpie. It's made for overhead projectors, like how I grew up. So I'm not an artist, you know that. Okay, there you go. So not drawn to scale, of course, right? Okay, so when I grew up, this was the most advanced we had. The teacher would put a piece of acetate paper right here, and then they would write on it with the vis-a-vis marker, which is what the black marker was. And it was really nice and dark. So then it would project on the screen the notes that we were supposed to see. You all right with that? So why did he use a vis-a-vis marker on this? To wash it off. When he was done, or her, I had girls use it too, they just take it to the sink and rinse it, dry it, and we're ready to roll. Yeah, or you can get rid of the smears with your own spit. Okay. Oops, thank you. I do that on my phone too. I look like an idiot. Okay, are we all right with that? So I can't, I have the word stoichiometry stuck in my head. Chromatography paper is used to separate things and see what it's made out of. So we know, and there's more because it's just kind of all runs with each other, but we had some green, some yellow, some red, and some blue, which sort of makes sense because the pigment black is made out of all colors, pretty much. Okay, any questions? All right, I had a question from BB. What should I do to study for the test? All right, whoa, everyone's paying attention now. First off, I need more likes. I'm just kidding. I'm just joking. All the class videos have been posted. As long as Derek did it right. Did anyone watch over the weekend?
Sure didn't.
They were there? Okay. All right. So I would watch some class videos. I would review your notes. I would take any Canvas quizzes. I don't know if that, you don't spell quizzes that way, but whatever. Quizzes. That looks like quizzes, whatever. Now, I have an asterisk here. I'm gonna put it right here. Don't do any of the math problems if there are any practice quizzes. And then it's a good thing we didn't test today because I guarantee almost no one did the following. Study the vocab. Yes. All right. That's what I would do. Are there any practice quizzes on Canvas?
I'm looking right now. Will you put one up if there isn't?
Nope.
What if you give me two more times?
No. I have a busy night. Not that any of you care. I'm going to be at the Utah Capitol, not the United States Capitol. That's a week. I'll be at the Utah Capitol meeting with some people, trying to get more funding for my Mountain Dew addiction. I'm trying to get pop machines in every science lab. Such bull crap.
And he showed me his email, and apparently somebody had like $200,000 a month.
Yeah, joke's on me working my way through college to pay my own way. What an idiot I was. I had no idea the government would just pay off. Like, oh, hey, never mind, you're good. Thanks for stealing my money.
Came in off and it was like,
What?
David,
Yeah, just do that.
Maybe lesson learned. Just wait for the government to pay for you. All right. By the time you guys are in college, I'm not going to finish that. I'll get fired.
Stop recording for that.
Yeah, good idea. Isaac is amazing. Okay, what else do you want recorded? I said, get a job that can't be automated. That's what I said. So, yeah.
What'd you say?
Isn't it beautiful?